Well, hey there. Today we're gonna try out our new GoPro mount for the front of the raft. I made this over Christmas break in my brother's garage. He's got all the tools a guy needs. Here's the original. This was kind of the beta version that I just threw together the night before we shot the Yar. And it actually, because I wanted to get some kind of looking back shots on the rafters, and it actually worked pretty well. But I wanted to make something a little bit more refined. And yeah, you can see that the little plate came off because the native glue that comes with those things isn't really very good, especially when it gets wet, I think. We have tied it down with different things, but I think eventually I will probably just get some kind of dedicated little straps for it. That will be the easiest way to strap it down and adjust it.
Oh yeah, this is nice.
Yeah.
Stone riverbed. Now look at that angle. Oh man. Oh yeah, I'm gonna be too hot in this with my fleece. Oh. We got some duckies over there. The other day, I had my eye out for otters like I always do. I didn't see any otters, but I did actually see a muskrat for the first time on this river. I also saw a golden eagle, a red tail, two other eagles, which I think were juvenile bald eagles, probably hatched last year. They looked full grown, but their coloration looked like they were juveniles, I would say. And Canada geese. No herons, interestingly. Maybe they go elsewhere for the winter. Let me know what you think of that camera angle. It's a little bit off center right now, but that's adjustable with those straps. Hold up, we got some big water coming up here. Oh boy. Hold on. Some duckies over there. Oh, what have we here? Looks like a nice buck died in the river somehow. Little 4-point. Yeah, nice little 4-point. I don't know if you count the eye guards. Reminds me, back in 2015, I took the train to over to Chicago to visit a friend. and going over the Rockies, you know, the Colorado River flows through there. You saw the heads of dead deer. In this case, they were also bucks, sticking up out of the frozen river, and just like their antlers, like just frozen there. And we'll have a 6.5 mile bike ride back up to Dewey Bridge. So, okie doke. Well, thanks for following along. I think I already said that. And if you like that, be sure to subscribe. I'm hoping to get to 500, so help me get to 500 here. And see you in the next video.